In this tutorial, we'll be covering adding your Brother PT-910 to your phone for the first time, configuring your barcode settings with Imply, and printing off your first barcode. The PT-910 is a very versatile printer by Brother Mobile Solutions, and we recommend it because it is incredibly portable and very easy to use. It has one button to turn on the device, is lightweight, battery operated, and Bluetooth enabled. First, let's make sure your PT-910 is charged and turned on. When it's turned on, you'll see a green dot at the top. Additionally, you'll want to make sure you've added tape to the printer cavity by opening it up, placing the tape inside, and closing the cavity. Now let's get to it. First thing we'll want to do is head over to your settings. And we're going to click on Bluetooth and search for the device. You'll connect to the device by selecting the PT-910BT, and it will indicate that it's connected. Next, we'll head over to Apply and configure the device to the printer and Apply. Let's head on over to a warehouse. And we're going to go ahead and select one of our materials here and click Print Barcodes. First thing we want to do is go ahead and head over to the Printer tab, and we want to make sure that the Bluetooth printer is selected here. Now, the first thing you'll want to make sure is the Bluetooth printer has a green checkbox next to it. And if it doesn't, just go ahead and click on the cell here so that you can select that printer. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the label size is selected correctly. You'll see on the tape whether it's a 24mm or 36mm, and you'll select it accordingly. And we'll hit save, and we'll hit save again. One thing you'll be able to do is adjust the font size. I recommend 120% because it makes the font a lot bigger and bolder. And then we'll head over to the Content tab. For the Brother PT-910, the recommended layout would be layout number 3, Printer Orientation Landscape, and you can choose whatever print elements you'd like. You'll see that if we choose additional printer options, it's going to change the orientation and layout of the barcode and make it bigger or smaller. Let's go ahead and click Barcode. And for this, we're going to click Save Current Configuration as Template. One of the things that Apply allows you to do is create templates so that you have uniformity throughout your warehouse. If you have different sections within the warehouse, for example, like an HVAC section that requires a certain type of barcode, you'll be able to save that as a configuration. So we can say that this is our HVAC barcode. Click Save. And we'll go ahead and select that as our option. You'll see additional options here for the barcode that's going to be printed. And we can actually support QR codes as well as barcodes. And you'll see how that changes the layout above when you select barcode. And you can choose the position and the number of copies that you want. Now you'll just want to make sure one last time that the printer status says that it's connected here. And when you're ready, you go ahead and click Print and click Finish. And what it's done is it's added this item directly to your queue here. And we can see that we actually have a stream error failure, which means that the printer actually is off. So I'm going to turn my printer back on. It will make a noise and then it will blink green again. And I'll want to reconnect that printer. So we'll click Reconnect. And you can see that it's automatically reconnected, and we're going to click Print again. And it's printed off our label for us. Once it's complete, the printer queue will then clear itself out. Now let's do that one more time now that we are completely connected with the printer. I'm going to head over to our warehouse, choose one of our warehouses, select one of our items, click Print Barcodes. You can see that our HVAC barcode is one of our content templates here. And everything looks connected, the printer status is connected, and we're going to click Print again, and our item is now being printed. Let us know if you have any questions connecting your Brother PT-910, and happy printing.